Hello everyone, I am here today to show my Kotlin Calculator project that I've been working on. Oops, what? Did not want to do that. Okay, so right here is my Kotlin code for my calculator. So this class basically is the main class that runs everything that it needs to run to make the calculator work. So right here, up top, we have these flags that control whether like operators like multiplication, dividing, adding, subtracting can be added to the calculator. Same with decimals and trig functions. Then this function, this trig function right here, allows the trig function button click to add those texts to the text view. And then the number action does the same thing to check if the decimal's there and if a number can be added to the text view and then this flag is set to true to allow operators to be added. Then right here we have the operator action, which allows the operator buttons to be clicked and allows them to be added to the text view. Then the equals action allows the equals button to be clicked and calculates and displays the results from the function or the, equation given in the calculator. Then the backspace action removes the last character put in the text view, the working text view. The all clear clears both the working and result text view. The calculator results allows the results to be printed and brings it back to the the equals action. So this function right here, it takes the pass list and finds the trig function and then the digit, converts the digit to radians, and then the one it sees the tan, sine, or cosine in the trig part of the pass list, it returns the radian results of that into the result, which gets printed. Now the add, subtract, calculate, it takes the pass list and puts it into a new list for us and then this restarts the index. So right here, so for each index, so each index in a list, it will go through, find the operator, which will be in the second position. The previous digit will be the first one in the list, and then the pass list is the second or the third indice. So then the when finds the operator, so if it's a plus, it will add to the new list the previous digit plus the next digit, and then restart the index to I plus 1. And then same thing with the negative, it'll add it to it'll do the function and then add it. And then otherwise, it will just add the previous digit and the operator to the list and send it forward. And then it restarts the list right here. So if I is greater, the new list gets the past list, and then it returns the new list. So as you can see, this calculates the multiplication and the division. So it takes the list, sets the list equal to the past list, and the list contains the star or the divide. The list equals the calc times divis list and returns the list. So we get the list, right? So we make a new list for when we want to times and multiply, just like the adding and subtracting, and it does the same exact thing, but for multiplying and dividing. And then this function finds the digits and the operators from the working text view and returns the list so that we can know what spot each of those things are in. So this XML file right here builds the calculator, like makes it look like how I want it to look. So each one of these things sets how big we want it, what we want it to look like. So right here we got all the buttons, the all clear, the backspace. And these ones are just clear because why not? And then we got the tan, sine, cosine, and divide, the 7, 8, 9, and times, 4, 5, 6, minus, 1, 2, 3, add, and then we got the decimal, 0, and equal sign on the bottom. And that's how the calculator will look when we run it. So I'm going to switch over to a different screen real quick because I haven't been able to finish this. So this one is not working, and I have this other calculator that does work for some, not for some reason. It doesn't have the trig functions working because I had the adding and dividing and multiplying and subtracting working first. So we're going to click this play button. It's going to build the Gradle, which is basically what allows everything to work. And then we'll bring this calculator and we'll share this. Should already be sharing actually. So we got 5 minus 2, and it shows the 3. We can clear it. We got 9 times 6, 54. And we can go backspace and do 9 times 5, 45. Clear it again. 5 divided by 5 should be 1. Sweet. So we got 2.3. Oh, let me clear it. 2.3. Oh, back. Point. That's not working. Minus 0.2. Sweet. You can add stuff and it'll change it and all that fun stuff. So that's my calculator. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you so much.